One idea, 3 completely different looks, same 5 minutes of work. And I made all of it by typing one sentence and talking to it like a person. I want to show you the fastest way I've found to make animation that actually looks like nobody else's. No timeline, no render farm, no 4-tool mess. So here's the problem I kept running into. Every AI animation looks the same now. The same glossy 3D, the same standard anime. You scroll past 10 of them in a row without blinking once. And if you want something that actually stands out, you're usually juggling 4 different tools. One for the images, one for the motion, one for the voice, one to stitch it all together. You're paying for all of them. You're learning all of them. And half your time goes to just moving files between tabs instead of actually creating. I got tired of that. Then I found Flova, and it changed how I make this stuff completely. Flova is an AI video agent, which sounds like a buzzword, so let me show you what it actually means. You don't push buttons and fill out forms and dig through menus. You just describe what you want, in plain words. Or you hand it a script, an image, a song, whatever you've got. Then the agent takes it from idea all the way to finished video. It writes the script. It designs the storyboard. It generates the shots. It builds the timeline. And when you run out of ideas, you can ask it to brainstorm with you. Right there in the chat. It's less like a tool and more like having a small creative team that doesn't sleep, doesn't charge by the hour, and never gets tired of your notes. Let me start with one character. A girl walking her dog through a quiet town at sunset. That's it. That's the whole idea I typed in. Flova takes that one line and builds out a full storyboard, shot by shot. Wide shot, close up, the dog running ahead, the light fading. It plans the whole thing for me. And here's the part I actually love. If a shot's wrong, I don't start over, I just tell it what to fix. Make the camera lower, push the sunset warmer, slow the dog down. I say it like a note to an editor, and it adjusts and regenerates that one shot right there in the conversation. Everything else stays exactly how I liked it. I'm not rebuilding, I'm directing. Now this next part is the thing that quietly makes it good. Most AI tools forget everything the second you start the next shot. You end up explaining the same look, the same vibe, the same character over and over. Flova remembers every choice I make, every edit, every shot I pick. It writes that into the project. So when I move to the next scene, I don't have to say, keep that feeling from before. It already knows. My character stays the same character. My style stays consistent across the whole thing, not just one clip. And it's all reversible. I can step back to an earlier version anytime. Nothing's locked. Nothing's lost. Okay? Now the fun part. Same character, same scene, 3 completely different styles. First, risograph print. Grainy, two-tone, that handmade indie poster feel, like something you'd find stapled to a wall. Then oil painting. Soft, thick brush strokes, like the whole scene is breathing through a canvas. Every frame looks hand-painted. And then pop art. Bold black lines, flat punchy color, straight out of a comic book. Same girl, same dog. 3 entirely different worlds. And the wild part is, I didn't redraw anything. I just told Flova the style and it rebuilt the look. And notice what I skipped. No standard 3D, no standard anime, on purpose. Everyone's eyes are tired of those by now. This right here is how you stop the scroll. But here's where it gets genuinely useful, not just pretty. Under the hood, Flova runs more than 20 of the top models. The good image ones, the good video ones, the good audio ones, all in one place. And it mixes them. Something like GPT Image 2 for the look, paired with Cdance 2.0 for the motion, so you get sharper detail and smoother movement than any single model gives you. If you have no idea which model fits your idea, that's fine. You don't have to know. Flova picks for you. And then there's skills. This is the one that changes everything. A skill saves your style, your characters, your whole way of working into one reusable setup. So the next video doesn't start from zero. You build your taste once, and you reuse it forever. You can even edit it, or grab a skill a pro creator already built. That's how you go from making one video to making a whole series that all looks like you. So why does this matter for you? Most people pay over $120 a month for a pile of separate AI tools that don't even talk to each other. A subscription here, a subscription there, and you're still doing the boring assembly work yourself. Flova puts the models, the creative direction, and the editing into one single workflow. For $19 a month, you save the money, you save the hours, and you finally stop tool juggling and get back to the part that actually matters, which is the creating. One idea became 3 videos in the time it takes to drink a coffee. That's the whole point of this. You don't need a studio. You don't need 5 subscriptions. You don't even need to know which model to use, you just need the idea and a sentence to describe it. The link's in the description. Sign up there and you get 100 credits right away to start playing, plus another 200 credits just for exploring Flova. Go make something that looks like you, not like everybody else. Then come back and tell me what you built. I genuinely want to see it.